जिंदाबाद गुस्तामी जिंदाबाद 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 गुस्तामी जिंदाबाद 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 भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय और ना गुस्तामी जिंदाबाद भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय और ना गुस्तामी जिंदाबाद 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 गुस्तामी जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
मीडिया और हमारी सरकार हो या कोई राजनीतिक दल हो, हम लोग वाले हैं। हमारा संविधान भी यही कहता है, किसी का अधिकार का हनन नहीं होने देंगे। तो इसलिए अर्नब ने जो आवाज उठाई, ये तो हमेशा से इनका रहा है कि ये विदेशों से संचालित होने वाले लोग थे कांग्रेसी, इन्होंने जब भी सरकारें चलाई है तो हमेशा मीडिया को दबा कर रखना चाहते थे। मीडिया अगर इनके खिलाफ बोला या इनकी सच्चाई उजागर करता है तो ये फौरन उनको जेल में भेजने का काम करते थे, लेकिन आज नहीं कर पाएंगे। आज देश में एक न्यायपूर्ण सरकार है, अच्छे लोकतंत्र के लिए जानी जाने वाली सरकारी सरकार है, इसलिए ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ पूरा देश खड़ा होगा। सबके साथ है।
बिल्कुल मोहसिन रजा साहब, हम देश के कोने कोने में देख रहे हैं, जम्मू हो, जयपुर हो, आप दिल्ली हो, हर जगह प्रदर्शन हो रहा है और अर्नब गोस्वामी के समर्थन में। लेकिन क्या ये इतनी हिम्मत पुलिस की होती है? कोई काम नहीं है कि सिर्फ दुश्मनी निकालनी है, बदले के तहत कार्रवाई करनी है? ये पूरा देश देख रहा है और पूरा देश इस वक्त गुस्से में भी है मोहसिन रजा साहब। ये 2020 का आपातकाल है, ये सूरत कभी आगे नहीं आनी चाहिए और इन्हें सबक मिलना चाहिए।
आज देश की जनता ने बाहर निकलकर, हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने, सरकार ने ये बता दिया है कि कहीं पर राज्य में अगर कोई सरकार ऐसी है जो लोकतंत्र को दबाने का काम करेगी या लोकतंत्र में जो हमारे जो स्तंभ है मीडिया, उसकी आवाज को दबाने का काम करेगा, हम उसके खिलाफ खड़े होंगे। सड़कों पर कार्यकर्ता भी निकलेंगे, लोग भी निकलेंगे, जनसमूह भी निकलेगा, क्योंकि अब कांग्रेस की सरकार नहीं है। अब इमरजेंसी जैसा कोई हाल नहीं कर सकता। जो करेगा उसके खिलाफ देश की जनता खड़ी हो जाएगी, और जब देश की जनता खड़ी होगी तो ऐसे लोगों का क्या हश्र होगा, ये सब देख रहे हैं वो लोग बैठे थे।
और मोहसिन रजा साहब, ऐसा आपने देखा नहीं होगा कि आतंकियों की तरह व्यवहार किया जाता है। आप सोचिए 15 से 20 उसमें से काउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट AK-47 लेकर का दरवाजा तोड़ते हैं, मारपीट करते, घसीटते हैं। ये स्थिति है महाराष्ट्र में।
देखिए, वो लोग हैं जो आतंकवादियों को महिमा मंडित करते हैं ना, और शरीफ लोगों को अपमानित करने का काम करते हैं, लेकिन वो ये भूल गए कि आज देश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की न्यायपूर्ण सरकार है। देश आज न्याय के साथ खड़ा है, एक अच्छे प्रधान सेवक के साथ खड़ा है। इसलिए अर्नब जैसे और भी तमाम हमारे जो भाई हैं, वो अगर कोई भी आवाज लोकतंत्र में अपनी उठाते हैं और सच्चाई का आईना दिखाते हैं तो पूरे देश की जनता, सरकार, सभी लोग हमारी जिम्मेदारी है हम ऐसी बातों के आने वालों के साथ खड़े हो।
मोहसिन रजा साहब, हम बहुत साफ बोलते हैं और जनता से, क्योंकि जनता का भरोसा हमारे साथ है और हमने कहा है कि हम लड़ेंगे। सच के लिए लड़ने की हमारी आदत रही है। हम लड़ते हैं तो लड़ते हैं, हम सबूत देंगे और सच देश के सामने आएगा।
सच आएगा सामने। पत्रकारों ने भी आज एकजुटता दिखाई है, ये बहुत जरूरी कदम था। और देखिए, मशाल जुलूस निकाला जा रहा है दिल्ली से लेकर जयपुर तक। हजारों लोग अर्नब गोस्वामी के समर्थन में।
देखिए, आपका बहुत बड़ा रोल है लोकतंत्र में। आप कैसे ये कैसे बोल सकता है देश जानता है कि सच्चाई का आईना, जहाँ तक हम राजनीतिक दल सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी हमारे जो निभाते हैं वो पत्रकार भाई निभाते हैं। अर्नब जैसे लोग खड़े होते हैं और अर्नब के साथी लोग निभाते हैं जो लोकतंत्र में सही से देने के लिए
It is a very big development, Niranjan, because the judiciary implied that it is not police custody, it is judicial custody, which means he will be protected by a judicial magistrate.
All right, Pradeep and Niranjan, there is some breaking news coming in, and Rhythm has that breaking news. Rhythm has breaking news. Rhythm, what happened in the court? What did the judge say?
Niranjan, the judiciary thwarted it. It is a very big development, Niranjan, because the judiciary implied that it is not police custody, it is judicial custody, which means he will be protected by a judicial magistrate.
All right, Pradeep and Niranjan, there is some breaking news coming in, and Rhythm has that breaking news. Rhythm has breaking news. Rhythm, what happened in the court? What did the judge say?
What has been trying to be looked at has once again upheld. Let's tell our viewers why Arnab said हार गई पुलिस हार गई. We heard Sochin as to why in this case police custody was not needed. Vidya, be with me. Today we've seen how the judiciary and viewers behind you will be also violating the order. And judge of the case has said that she has been hearing the case observation when she said that this is not just observation, it's a part of the case order the judge has given. That means judicial custody has been very data. When Khalid tried to justify this and they didn't even think of taking permission of the court. Police custody that also ensure that they have to rush away without understanding that courts are paramount and important to courts need to make sure. A very civil case that's been judged there by dictating the order and which there is a judge should have followed. And the judge's vision when she says that this is not just an observation, it's a part of the order when the judge is given when the judicial custody has been given to order. When the police should have been done, justifiable grounds that happened. And once again, and I'm also going to tell our director, Mr. Mahesh Chandran, also has to be given to try and connect with it because the senior advocate who spoke with us in the morning.
The teams here are telling us, Rhythm, the teams here are telling us that Mr. Jethmalani,
In which there is a closure report. And the
all right,
judge is also
Rhythm,
trying
Mr. Jethmalani is joining us on the phone line, Rhythm.
and then enough is enough. This is a lesson and it's time that let me also go telling the police advocate to learn if Mr. Mahesh Chandran that happened. And once again, and I'm also going to tell our director, Mr. Mahesh Chandran, and also like many of you people, Mr. Chandran, several observations are coming in today on almost 20 in the morning for 14 days.
The teams here are telling us, Rhythm, the teams here are telling us that Mr. Jethmalani,
There is no nexus drawn and there is no reason
all right,
justifiable.
Rhythm, Mr. Jethmalani is joining us on the phone line, Rhythm.
Well, this is a big slap on the face of the police.
Let me also go across the senior advocate of the Supreme Court, Mr. Mahesh Chandran, one of the country's topmost criminal lawyers, one of the country's lawyers who knows and understands the criminal law like very few people. Mr. Jethmalani, several observations are coming in today. First, judicial custody for 14 days and it's massive blow because Mr. Jethmalani, even if she gives, where she clearly says there is no nexus drawn and there is no reason and justifiable reason to give police custody.
Doesn't trust the police. This custody because the police. There have been serious allegations. What this order shows is, while there is no case to investigate out by the police station, Arnab Goswami has kept some bail application tomorrow in the morning. I hope this matter is taken and he has an extra case of assaulted police custody tomorrow. And those officers must be made to have a narco analysis and a lie detector test. What it shows, Arnab should that perhaps the magistrate doesn't trust this kind of violence is unpalatable. It is completely undemocratic and we don't live in a barbaric state. Both in his house and later on in the police station. Now I have to say that what the police have done to an anchor of great repute, you may not always agree with him, but nobody is infallible. This kind of vengeful, violent action is strongly condemned. And this must be taken. Whether he gets bail tomorrow or not in the magistrate's court, it must be undemocratic and we don't live in a barbaric police in this particular case must be strongly. Now I have to say that what the police have done to an anchor of great repute, you may not always agree with him.
I also
Nobody
wanted
is
to get a
infallible.
sense, Mr. Jethmalani,
This
since
kind of
morning that we've been
vengeful,
seeing and you've been seeing
violent
what's been
action
happening, the way
strongly
they're trying to
condemned.
muzzle
And
free
this
press
must
in
be
the state,
taken.
the bigger
Whether he
point
gets
that needs to
bail
be made
tomorrow
out
or
here,
not
and this
in
is
the
going to be
magistrate's court,
argued tomorrow in the Bombay High Court also.
it must go
But
to
the
a
way
higher court
they pushed him,
and the
the
conduct
way
of the
Arnab's
police in
son
this
was pushed
particular
around, the way
case
they assaulted
must be
him,
strongly
now they're trying to come up with
reprimanded, I hope,
ridiculous
by the
FIRs.
higher court.
But when they went to the courtroom, in a case that's been closed, the three observations that were made by the judge. I also wanted to get a sense, Mr. Jethmalani, since morning, the first thing she said is no justifiable grounds happening. The way they're trying to muzzle free press in the state, and then she said, no point the change to be made out showing nexus between suicide and role tomorrow in the Bombay High Court also clearly show the way they pushed trying to create Arnab's son actually wrong, the way they assaulted him. Now
Yes,
they're
she
trying to
did
come
that
up with
observation
ridiculous
on merits as
FIRs.
well.
But when they
There
went
is
to
no
the
nexus
courtroom,
between
in a case that's
suicide
been closed, the
and
three
between
observations that were made by the judge are
then I think it's a
very
slap on the
clear.
face.
The first thing she said is no justifiable ground to ask for
which
police
has been
custody.
moved
Then she said
only, as I
cases
said,
reopened without
for
consent.
vendetta.
And then she said
Also,
no
the
chain
fact that
showing
she
nexus
hasn't
between
granted them police
suicide and
custody
role of
is
accused.
perhaps because she
All
is
three
mindful
clearly show
of the
this is
allegations of
something they
violence
were trying
and
to
she doesn't
create
trust
when
the
there is
police
actually no
with his
case
custody.
yet.
Yes, she did that observation on merits as well. that there is no
Absolutely.
existence
One last
between
question to you
the
before we go across
and
to our
between
colleagues on the ground, Mr. Jay
conduct
Pelani.
Arnab Goswami.
We've seen what's been
Then I
happening
think
since
it's a
morning.
slap on the
It's
face
something that
that
Awad
it shows
Kota,
that
the
this is
senior
a
advocate who
contrived
appeared
case
in the lower court,
which has been
most
moved
clearly said
only,
it
as I
seems
said,
that
from a
suddenly
vendetta.
after 2018,
Also,
with the same
the fact
evidence
that
that
Joe
is there, a
Dixon,
civil
he hasn't
case
granted
is
them
being
police
tried to be
custody.
made into a
It's
criminal
perhaps
case.
because she is
Same
mindful of
documents
the
are being there.
allegations of
It
violence
seems
and she
that this
doesn't
is
trust the
vendetta
police
because
to
a
give
personal
custody.
case and political scores are being tried to be settled.
Rhythm,
Absolutely.
we
One
all know
last
that this
question to
case
you
has
before
been
we go
closed. It
across
was
to
a
our
suicide of
colleagues on the ground, Mr. Jay
2018.
Pelani.
It was
We've
closed
seen
in
what's been happening since morning.
2019.
It's
We are
something
now
that
1.5
Awad Kota, the
years
senior
later.
advocate who appeared in the
1975 में
lower
हुआ
court,
था
also
और आज
clearly said
आपातकाल
it
की स्थिति
seems that suddenly after
गुंडागर्दी पर उतरी
2018,
है
with the
मुंबई की
same
पुलिस
evidence that is
महाराष्ट्र
there,
की
a
सरकार
civil case is being tried to be made into a
देखिए,
criminal
देश में
case.
आज